Hey guys, it's like almost 1 and yeah, 12:43. So I just did dishes. I am going in my room and I'm getting it cleaned today. Like everything's getting picked up, so we're just hanging out today. It's Monday. Basketball practice got canceled, so I'm watching Roseanne. I'm getting my room clean like I should have done yesterday, but I got all that weird stuff done. Might take my sheets off my bed and wash them. So I'll check in with you guys. Nothing has changed. It's still a freaking mess over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna get that clean and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys. Okay, so TV is on. But my room, I have a floor now. I'm working on this all day. My sheets are being washed. I'm waiting for them to dry. But look, there's a floor over here. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what I've been working on today. I got a curtain hung. I dusted the walls. You know, my motto, think smarter, not harder. But I learned this in hair school, but I tied a paper towel and put some duster spray on it and wiped the walls down. Heads up. Or you could use like a, oh my goodness, what is it called? What are those? Oh my gosh. Swiffer duster things. No, what's the like floor one? You can use those. Well, you could use a Swiffer duster, but I don't know. Anyway, yes, I have one thing of curtains hung. Not sure what I'm going to do with this one because my headboard. So, and I've got to get another curtain. But I'm not sure how I'm going to do that one. And I need to dust this back in there. But, anywho. This looks good. I have like some cabinets in my hallway and I've rearranged those. I switched the bottom ones and put bedding in that and put it in the top, and then took the board games from the top and put them in the bottom one. So yeah, I'm ready to put some shelving in my bathroom so I will have storage. Yeah, and then oh my gosh, what am I trying to think? And then I'll have another empty cabinet for that. So yeah, that'll be great. But anywho, just hanging out because I've been outside playing. They picked up the yard. They were supposed to pick up the rooms, but the yard is clean. So that's a plus. Anywho, yeah, just nothing too exciting. Basketball practice, I don't know if I said, got changed to tomorrow, and I still haven't edited yesterday's video and decided to put it up yet. Yeah, so anyhow, I will see you guys in a little bit. We are having hot dogs and mac and cheese and beans for supper. You know, one of the usuals. So yeah. But anywho, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, forgot to end yesterday's video, I'm pretty sure. Yes, I forgot to end yesterday's video. Yeah, so I realized I didn't end yesterday's video. Paisley's begging to get up on the bed. Step all over my stuff. Anyway, I'm editing and realized I didn't ended it, so I actually got up at a decent time today. I'm sick of sleeping in because I feel like I literally don't do anything. So I'm getting better about getting up and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm making cinnamon rolls right now. I'm not telling you about that because that's going to be in today's video, but I'm trying to end yesterday's video. So I forgot that I didn't end yesterday's video, so I am doing that now. Forgot there was, okay, so I read the text wrong that we got from the coaches. They had basketball practice last night, so as we're eating dinner, we had 10 minutes to get to basketball practice. We were only 10 minutes late, and I ate my hot dogs in the car. So, yeah, but thanks for watching today's video. I really got a lot done in my room yesterday, and very proud and happy, and I'm glad I got stuff hung on the walls and stuff, so I might do a tour today. But anywho, I will see you guys tomorrow, which is today. Weird, I know, but thanks for watching, guys. Bye.